In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Nextdoor app. To begin, open the Nextdoor app on your device and sign into your account. This is essential because only registered users can create posts. You will see a welcome screen with various options. If you already have an account, simply input your login credentials. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one first. This step ensures your identity is verified within the community, which is crucial for maintaining a safe and secure environment. Once you sign in, you will be directed to your home feed where you can see posts from your neighbors. Next, from the home feed, tap the plus button, which represents the create option. Alternatively, you may also see an option that says write a post. This action opens a new screen where you can start crafting your message. The Create button is often found at the bottom of the screen, making it easily accessible. Selecting this option is vital as it allows you to share your thoughts, questions, or announcements with your community. After tapping, you'll feel a sense of progress as the app prepares to let you share your voice. Now choose the type or category of post you want to create. Categories may include general, question, recommendation, lost and found, or for sale, depending on your location and community settings. Picking the right category is important because it helps your neighbors understand the nature of your post at a glance. This organization improves engagement, ensuring that your message reaches the right audience. Once you select a category, you will see options tailored to that type, making it easier to express your thoughts. After choosing a category, enter your post title if prompted, and then write your message. The title should be concise yet descriptive, offering a snapshot of your content. Crafting your message is where you can truly express your thoughts. Be clear and to the point, as this will help others understand your post quickly. This step is crucial because a well-defined message increases the likelihood of interactions and responses, enhancing community engagement. Remember, clarity is key to effective communication. Next, you might want to add photos, videos, or links to your post if you wish to include them. This feature allows you to enrich your message visually or provide additional context. Including media can make your post more engaging and informative. For example, if you are posting about a lost item, adding a picture will help others recognize it. This step is vital for capturing attention and encouraging responses. Feel free to select files from your device that best represent your message. Once your content is ready, select who can see your post. You can choose options such as your neighborhood, nearby neighborhoods, or a specific group if available. This choice is significant because it determines the reach of your post. By selecting the right audience, you ensure your message is seen by those who are most likely to respond or assist. It helps to foster a sense of community involvement and ensures you connect with the right people. Finally, review your post carefully, then tap Post or Publish to share it with your community. This review step is crucial as it allows you to make any last-minute edits or corrections. Once you hit Post, your message will be live and you will see a confirmation appear on your screen. This is the moment your thoughts become part of the community conversation. By following these steps, you will successfully create and share a post on the Nextdoor app. Happy posting and enjoy connecting with your neighbors.